what's up, guys? Welcome to traffic. Yeah, guys, what's up? So, like always, Demon is stuck in traffic. Like always. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions, and many of you guys were asking me the review of the RS200, right? Look, I'll tell you one thing. It's an amazing machine, okay? It can't get any better than this, man. You're paying 1.43 lakhs for non-ABS and 1.57 lakhs, and you're getting so much of power, man. You know what? This is like 50,000 less than the RC200. This does not even have an ABS. ABS, yeah. Uncle, super uncle. And guys, look, Bajaj is an Indian company, right? And I really appreciate them for making such a beautiful bike. It is so amazing, man. Just look at this. Tell me any 200cc bike which you can do this, man, for just 1.5 lakh rupees. Don't tell R15. Don't tell R15. This thing can fuck R15 like hell, you know. You can lean in every curve, man. Seriously. God, I shouldn't have come this way. Yeah, guys. So look, for 1.57 lakhs for the ABS and 1.43 lakhs for the non-ABS, just imagine this. It's like bang for your buck, man. That's bang for your buck. Value for money. And you know what? Everyone thinks that this is a super bike. Who does not have a knowledge about biking? They think that this is a super bike and they ask you questions, man. And this is the most unique thing on the road. I tell you that's for like 100% sure. It's got some beautiful eyes. But yeah, even I don't like the tail section. Yeah, that one thing, just leave it off. I don't know what was wrong with the designer that just got a vagina into this tail lamp, man. Yeah. Apart from that, guys, and the vibrations, there are a little vibrations, and yeah, you just have to maintain it properly, and you will have no vibrations, okay? Like my bike, it's like amazing, man. I'm so lucky. I've been riding this bike for the past 5 months, and I've ridden like 4 months. Yeah. When did I start my channel? I think so. Yeah, 4.5 months, and I've ridden 10,200 kilometers, okay? This thing still runs like a gun. Well, after watching this video, don't ask me everything, okay, like mileage and all that stuff. For my riding, I get around 25 kilometers per liter. I don't know how you guys ride, so the company states, the showroom tells you like around 35 to 40. Yes, it is possible, because on my bike when I was riding slow, I got that much of mileage, like 35 kilometers per liter. Like, but I don't ride normally, like I don't ride slow normally, so 25, yeah, it's okay for me. 25 is, yeah, too much for me, yeah. And yeah, many of them told me like, how can you compare it with Apache? Look, Apache, it does not, I don't feel that it is so unique. It's my opinion, so don't come and fucking irritate me with comments like you don't know anything about bikes and stuff. Okay? Yeah, Apache, I did not find anything unique. Yeah, guys, when it comes to Apache, the new Apache 200, I think this is worth it, man. Like, I think so. The top speed on that is somewhere around 135, 140. This thing goes till 160, bitch. And acceleration, yeah, it has got initial acceleration. The Apache has got initial acceleration, but after 6,000 RPM, this thing fucks it like hell. You know what? Fucks it like hell. If you want, just bring your Apache in front of me. I'll show it to you guys. And many people compare this thing to the R15. Come on, man. How can you fucking compare this to R15? It's a fucking 150cc bike and this is 200cc and 25 bhp, man. How can you even compare it? Many people were like scolding me for telling R15 sucks. Yeah, it literally sucks. You know what? Yamaha has not done anything for that bike since it was launched, apart from giving it a big ass. They haven't done anything. What has Yamaha done? Nothing. They're running the same old bulletproof engine since since 2010, I think so. Yeah, it was upgraded in the middle when the version 2.0 came, but after that it's the same old thing. It's outdated, man. R15 is outdated, so don't fucking compare it with RS200. So think before you comment, dumb fucks. Well, I gotta give my bike for service tomorrow, man.
Waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.